Welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed and I hope everyone is blessed. So I am back on today, so I hope everyone is doing well. And in this video, I will be making the collard green casserole. And I've already have my collard greens that we had left over we will cook with the turkey legs, and it's already cut. And I have cornbread. And I'm going to be putting the cornbread into the bottom of the casserole. And like I said, I didn't do the fresh turnip greens. These are frozen greens that we had left from dinner the other day. So to keep a waste, I said you can always take something so you don't have to waste your food, and you can use it the second time. So now this is the way I do it. So I'll be putting my a little cornbread mix in the bottom of the pan.
Yeah, most times we use Jiffy, but she's doing like she did when we were small. She just used to do cornbread. So she's doing plain cornbread this time. If we always say if you don't have it, use what you got. So we're using what we got this time.
Okay, so you spread it on the bottom and you keep it covered though, so you don't have any openings there. And these greens are delicious, you all. I cooked them the other day. They were so good. So I said we could use them and let you see the collard green casserole again. It's not a lot of them, but it's enough to cover. Okay, so I have it all spread it out pretty well.
Okay, y'all, when y'all do the cornbread at the bottom, you kind of just have to eye it.
Okay, now I'm going to put the cream cheese inside of the greens. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. Get a little bit at room temperature, so I'm going to try it. Let me see, then I'm also going to add, my, I have sweet peppers and onions cut up. This is a cupful of each, 1/4 cup, because I don't have that many greens. Normally, if I have more greens, I have more peppers and more onions. So this is a 1/2 cup of onions and 2 small sweet peppers chopped up. All right. Now I'm going to be stirring them in together. And these greens also have, they were cooked with turkey, with smoked turkey legs. So that's the meat that I have cut up in there, just in case I didn't mention it to you before.
And also, y'all, usually when she cooks it, she cuts turkey bacon up in there, or she'll do pork bacon, and sometimes she'll put chicken in. But I'll link the other videos so you can see different ways she make it, because sometimes it's a whole meal and she put chicken in there also.
And also the turkey bacon on it, have a whole lot of it. But due to the fact, it's just some that we had left, and I thought this would be a good idea to make, 'cause everybody liked it so well. They did love this collard green casserole. So I thought, well, we'll just take this and have it as, and leave it as one of our sides for Thanksgiving also.
And yeah, also it's a young lady use this her asked Miss Lena because she used her collard green casserole in competitions. She was in culinary school and it won every competition she put it in. So it's so good, y'all. Miss Lena been making this since we real little.
This is really nice. So if you ever think about it and you want to have some, this is really good. Uh, just by itself, because you can make a meal out of this by cutting a piece of the cornbread, because you have your meat and everything, and the bread and the vegetables.
And she was making it a long time, y'all. I'm 63 now, so she been making it ever since I was a little girl. So good.
Okay, I pretty much have them mixed up now, so I'm going to be pouring them in. I may put just a little bit more cornbread right here. Look like it's a little lighter. Just gonna put just a little bit more right there. I don't want it to be too thin, but you can't. Now I think I've got that pretty much covered. Okay, I'm gonna be pouring my greens in. Oh, y'all don't know. The aroma is so nice and it smells so good. And they really did taste good when I cooked them the other day. Whenever we had them for dinner. But like I said, it's always good that you can have something that you can have for more than one meal. What you have left over.
Yeah, you can use leftover greens or you can use frozen greens. Just however you want to use them.
Down there. Okay, it's about 4 cups of greens left in here. 4 good cups of greens left in here. But it may look more, but see, I put another 8 ounces of cream cheese in it, so it makes it look more fuller than what it would have been. But it was about 4 cups of just the regular cut up collard greens, and then with the extra 8 ounces of cream cheese, that make it looks like it's more greens than what it is, and it really isn't. Now I have 2 packages of cornbread mix that I have, and so I put at the bottom, I put about 1/4 of a cornbread at the bottom, and on the rest of it will go on the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna put that on top, and normally I'll put it in the oven because everything is cooked but the cornbread. And so therefore, it only has to cook about, I'll say, if you don't want it, you can cook it about at 325 to 350, depends on what kind of stove that you're using, whether you're using gas or electric. And then you can kind of tell exactly how long it's going to take us. The different heat is different. It has different heat between the heat and electric. Sometimes the gas is it takes a little bit longer, and then sometimes it takes electric, doesn't take as long. So I just want to let you all know that. So you have to kind of watch it for yourself when you put it in the oven like that, and kind of keep your eye on it, because normally your greens are already cooked, and I'm sure that whatever kind of meat that you have in it will also be already cooked, because that's what everything that I have here is already cooked. So normally you're getting your cornbread cooked. That's what we are doing now.
And if you have frozen, you do using frozen greens, yeah, try to cook them before you cook them somewhat before you put them in there. But if you're using leftover greens, they can go in there cold.
And you can also use, you don't have to have the collard greens. You can use any kind of greens that you want. You can even probably use spinach if you prefer also. And you can also use, Brussels sprouts and cut them up real small and mix it all together. Whatever kind of green vegetables that you like the best. And it will make a good dish for whatever you have left over. And you don't have to throw it away. So this is something that you can always fix later. And even if you freeze after you have your dinner, and you don't know what, and don't have the cornbread mix to make your greens, to do it, you can always do it later. Just take them out, let them unthaw, and do your sauteing of your onions and whatever you want to put in it. And you'll still come out in the same way that I just did, okay? And I know you will enjoy.
All right, y'all. She's finna put that in the oven on 350 for probably 20 minutes, and then we'll be back.
Okay. And if you want to put a little butter on top, you can also do that. But I think they have enough seasoning in them without putting anything else on it. Unless, this is if you want to. Thank you. Okay, everyone. I am back with my collard green casserole. So it's been in the oven for about 30 minutes, a little bit better, and I had to let it get brown. Normally we have Jiffy cornbread mix, but today we had to use what we had. And now this is white cornbread, so it took a little bit longer for it to get brown. But anyway, I'm going to let you all see it. Which side to cut? It doesn't matter, I don't guess. Okay. Hot. Okay. Nice. It's very, very hot, so I don't have a hot mouth. I let it kind of cool a little bit for me. But it is. I know it's very good. The greens were good before I even did the casserole. So good, so good.
Yeah, this is good.
Very, very good. When I say good, it's good. This is another one of the dishes that's really off the chain. And this is something that you all can fix for just about any time. It doesn't have to be anything special.
Yeah, this is so good. This be good for while you guess. Fix this for Thanksgiving. This is so good,
This is so hot. You have to wait. You can't just put it in my mouth. DJ can put it in her mouth because it's hot, but I can't put stuff in my mouth.
So good, y'all.
Okay. Now, it is so good. I'm telling you, if you haven't ever done it before, if you do it, you will do it again. Because your family will love it. It is ideal, especially if you have leftover greens, any kind, leftover vegetables like this, to make your casserole. And whatever kind of meat that you put in it.
Y'all, this is so good. Oh my goodness. So good.
But it's delicious.
She made this many times for us growing up, y'all. This is so good. So you can make it with
And I
GP
hope
or
y'all will
without.
try it. Very, very good, you guys. It'll make you want to slap your mama and your children That's just how good it is. When I say it gives you a popping good spirit, yes, it does. One good thing, one more good thing for 2025 will be good for your dinner or whatever, whenever you need it. When I tell you, it is delicious. You will love it. And I know it. Yeah, I love it. I can hardly talk to you all now. It is so good and it's hot. And by it being hot, I even like it better, although I have to wait till it cools off my mouth. But it is so delicious. I want you all to try it. So as soon as you can. You will be surprised. I hope you can try it for Thanksgiving dinner. Because it's something exciting. And I know everyone will love it. And
Y'all, and if y'all want to make a bigger casserole, just double it. Because she used 2 packages of cornbread mix and 4 cups of greens. So just double the recipe if you want to make a big casserole dish. Because she just used what size is this? What size casserole dish is this?
I think it's 9 by 13. This one is very small.
All right, y'all.
Okay, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Please try this for your Thanksgiving side dish or whatever that you want to try it. Very, very good. And I know your kids will love it. And your family will love it also. And if you all love greens, any kind of greens, you will love this dish. It is well worth it. So whatever, sometimes we have greens and stuff left over, and we don't know what to do with it. This is an ideal thing that you can do, and you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. And may God bless you for the season that is in here now. We are just a few days away from the Thanksgiving holiday. So let's all be thankful and know that God is blessing, and God is the blesser to each and every one of you all. So I love you all. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. We'll see you in the next video of the live session. Thank you so much with all my love. Goodbye now.